What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Bizman Cam here, back with another video. And as you guys know, if you guys watched last video, I'm going to be starting, a new series, a new business venture, which is going to be reselling, which so many people around the world have already been doing. I just recently have gotten into it. So in today's video, I just kind of want to quickly get to the point and explain how I've made over $100 profit pretty much in my first less than a week selling on eBay with just 2 items that I had bought. And I'm gonna tell you guys where I purchased these items and how much I sold them for and how much I paid for them. So yeah, the first item that you guys will see on screen, I found this at a garage sale. Both of these items I actually found at a garage sale, but this first one I found at a garage sale, and I believe I paid $10 for it. This was the last garage sale of the day, and I wasn't sure if it was gonna sell or not. But it's this Toshiba 9-inch, kind of an old DVD TV, and obviously you guys can see I sold it for $49.99 plus $15 shipping. And I paid $10 for this. I lotted it with another little speaker thing that I bought from this guy. So yeah, I paid $10 for it, and I believe my profit on that was I believe it was $48 after shipping and everything like that. After everything was paid and all the eBay fees were paid. This item took me about 3 days to sell. I bought it on a Saturday, obviously that's when the main garage sales are, and then I sold it on a Tuesday, I believe. So the second item, this one I really like. This one is crazy. I got a really good deal on it, and I really came up on this one. This was the first garage sale of the day I went to, and I have a little funny story about it. But it's a brand new Patagonia men's sweater, and it's feather gray. I didn't really see this color on there too much on eBay selling at the moment, so I thought it was a pretty cool deal. So what had actually happened was this was a garage sale next to a garage sale that I had put on my list for the first one of the day. So I ended up going there first. I saw this Patagonia. I asked the lady how much it was. I didn't really know much about this brand. I just knew that it was a pretty good, I've heard it before as a good selling brand. The lady told me it would be $5, and I was like, okay, you know what? There's this little stitching on the back, which I'll also take a screenshot up and put that up. There's this little wave stitch, so I wasn't sure if it was a real Patagonia because I've never seen that before on one of these before, so I wasn't sure. So I ended up leaving the garage sale. I ended up coming back. I looked up everything to see if it was real, and honestly I think it is a real jacket. Everything I looked up, it matched the exact description. I looked these up, and a lot of people had different stitching in theirs, just different random things. So I think it's just something that maybe someone put on there, a certain store or whatever put on there, but I think it is a real Patagonia vest. I ended up coming back because I freaked out, and I was like, you know what, I should just go back and go get it. Ended up going back, asked a different guy how much it was, and he ended up telling me $3, and I was like, oh, okay. So I didn't even say anything. I ended up taking it for $3, ended up selling it for $69.99 plus free shipping, which, as you guys see, I have the jacket here. I just sold it yesterday, so I have to go get this packed up and shipped off today. But I believe I made like a $58 or $59 profit off this one after shipping. Yeah, but I have to go drop this off. So that's pretty much how I made my first $100, only selling 2 items. I believe my total profit came out to like 110 or something like that, or 107 after all the fees and whatnot. And this is with 2 items. I feel like I could have made a little more on the jacket, and I'm not sure about the TV, but I just came up on my 3rd item. I saw this on Facebook selling for only $40. So as you guys see on screen now, I had a good come up for $40. A lady was having help from her neighbor to sell items because she is moving away, and this just happened to be one of the items. It was a brand new, untouched, open boxed Epson printer, and I watched a few people's videos. Just one off the mine, Ready Set Resell, helped me a lot with this. He had a similar printer that sold the exact same day that he bought it for, I believe, like $160 or something like that. So since mine's open box, it goes for a little bit less than the brand new, so I put it up for $149.99 plus 13, or that's what it says, it's calculated shipping, so we'll see how much it ends up being. But I just found that yesterday on the Facebook Marketplace, and I actually ended up bundling it with a Wii that she had with a couple games and stuff. I bought that for $15. You know, she was a really nice lady, so I didn't really want to talk her down any less. So I believe I can get, you know, 40-50 bucks out of that. So that should be pretty cool. So those, I see the Epson printers selling a lot, so that I'm easily gonna be able to make over $100 profit, because I know if it doesn't sell for what I'm asking, I'll put it $10 less and 100% it'll sell. I see them selling every single day, so you know, I'll be up about $250 profit after I sell those 2 items. And then, like I said, I still have a few items in my eBay. I don't have a store yet, but inside of my eBay little business that I will be hopefully getting around to selling soon. Alright, you guys, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope this is kind of a little informative to give you guys an idea of maybe some stuff that you could buy. I will be doing more eBay videos on reselling as I'm just getting into it. I'll keep updating you guys, and this is going to be my journey to success of being a reseller. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.